dais so that the souvenir can be released by our Vice Chancellor, Professor B.B. Bhattacharya ji. I want to invite Mr. Ishwar Nayak along with Professor Prasad. Professor Prasad is a novelist and did the editing of last year's souvenir, which became a collector's item. May I request Professor Bhattacharya to kindly come on the dais? I think you should come from that side, sir. एक और आपसे दरखास्त करनी थी. हमने प्राइम मिनिस्टर ड्राउट रिलीफ फंड के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा करने का तय किया है. उसके लिए 4 बकस बनाए हैं और उनको लेके वॉलंटियर्स आपके बीच में घूमेंगे. जिनकी जेब में जो है उसमें मुनासिब तौर पर उसमें योगदान करिएगा. नाउ द रिलीज ऑफ द सोवेनियर. I think one of the senior most students of this university happens to be our rector also, and he deserves to get the first copy of this release souvenir. Professor Ramadhikari Kumar may kindly come on the dais to get the first copy. We have enough copies and therefore we'll get it, but only after the dinner out there. Professor Ramadhikari Kumar. The second copy must go to another very respected alumnus of this university, Professor O.P. Mishra from Indira Gandhi Open University, Pro Vice Chancellor, to collect his copy. Professor O.P. Mishra, please. The Pro Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi Open University. A copy must also go to Rector Rajendra Prasad, because he was one of the most generous helpers of this souvenir by providing us some advertisement of the university. Professor Mishra provided another advertisement, and that's how it became a possibility. I don't see my friend Bhavani Singh Meena. Bhavani bhai aa gaye? Nahin. Professor Rajendra Prasad ji. I think the man who gave the idea of Alumni Association, Professor G.K. Chadha, is requested to kindly come on the dais to collect the next copy of the souvenir. Professor G.K. Chadha. इनके जमाने में ये शुरू हुआ कि अलुमनाई का कैसे किया जाए, और प्रोफेसर वैष्णव नारंग, प्रोफेसर रूप मंजरी घोष, डॉक्टर प्रवीण झा, इन सब ने मिलकर एक एक ईंट रखी और उससे आज ये मुमकिन हो सका. थैंक यू सो मच. May I request Professor Bhattacharya to say a few words on this occasion, because he has been the patron of this idea and has helped us through very difficult years in very peculiar circumstances to get it going. And this year we are in the second alumni meet and hope that this will be an ongoing process, just like JNU became an ongoing reality. Professor Bhattacharya.
Last year's the Alumni Association was a big affair. The grand success of it this year is continuing. I am very happy that at least once in a year, past and the present will come and meet. I am enjoying this evening. I hope this tradition will continue. I have only one remark to make. I attended the last few minutes of the Mushaira. Ghazal, I enjoy, listen, but don't understand the words. But I listen to Ghazal very well. Jagjit Singh is my most favorite. Mehdi Hasan is the other one. The last 2 words of the Ghazal I was listening, I don't know whether Shair is here. He says, पत्थर से दोस्ती करने में उनको आंसू आ गया और सबसे भरोसा नहीं करना. मैं उनको कहना चाहता हूं, पत्थर से दोस्ती करना सबसे सेफ है. अब पत्थर के बैठे रहिए, ना पीछे छोरा मारेगा, ना कोई गाली देगा, ना नारा भी लगाएगा. तो मैं तो कहूंगा कि इंसान से पत्थर बहुत सेफ और ट्रस्टेड फ्रेंड होंगे. तो इस कहने के बाद मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप जो म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम नाउ, तो म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम भी बहुत सुरीला हो. आई विल एंजॉय इट. थैंक यू.